Okay, hello people. Today I wanted to show you how to fix if you struggle with opening up Autodesk Inventor application. Because for some reasons Inventor I installed but I didn't pay attention about one important file. Make sure when you open up I will show you because I didn't know how important that file was. I will show you because I had the issue with Ribbon. I think you have to install all missing components, especially when I was clicking application options. Inventor was crashing. And especially when I opened up standard IPT, I couldn't open this up. I found a solution how to fix that error. I thought this was to do with Microsoft Visual C++ library. No, this is nothing to do with missing or corrupted installer or library. You have to install, you have to make sure that you install all essential libraries. I will double check if nothing goes wrong with my application. Everything seems to be working fine. Perspective viewport. What you have to do when you install the Inventor, make sure you install this. Without this application, Inventor will not work. But I think I installed already. I think I have to, you have to make sure you install everything. I have to check the installer. Also, I published in the last video tutorial how to bypass installer problems. If you encounter that problem, run as administrator. At local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows NT, current version, image file execution options. Check if one of the files debugger because this may cause your application not to work properly. I don't have any files. I don't have any debugger files which would block installer. But I could actually double check. Okay, let's check one missing component. No, I don't want this. I want to check if I installed that missing file because I couldn't open up Inventor application. You have to make sure you install all missing library. Give me a few seconds. Yes. DWG True View. I think without this component, you were not able to run application. I have to double check if Inventor will be able to install this without any problems. Oh no, I shouldn't install Inventor application from the beginning. I only should install this. Make sure this missing component supposed to be installed, because without it you won't be able to run Inventor Professional. Very, very important. Very, very, very important. I have to check if I can open up, if I can have a true view application. Very, very important when you want to open up application. Okay, I will check if Inventor opens up without any problems. I like very much Inventor application, because this reminds me time when one guy from Poland was helping me with science subject when I used to go to secondary school, and I have great respect towards that guy. His name is Mikołaj. He was helping me a lot, people, and I have really great respect towards this guy. You can see nothing goes wrong with Inventor. You have to make sure you install all missing libraries. That is why it was crashing. Make sure you install this. Okay. Free RT library check. But the most important thing is that application through view. Rex framework, what is this? Oh, it has already been installed. Very strange. Rex Inventor? What is this? I guess I have to check some interesting options here. This has been installed automatically. I just wanted to check because I was curious about this. Oh, we also have a service pack. I don't know if I have already installed service pack. It has probably been installed, but I have to double check. Service pack. It has already been installed. I hope you like my video tutorial. Let me know in comment section if I was able to help you to fix, or I just have to check something. Oh, I think this is important. This application. If you don't install it, Inventor will not work, people. You have to have this application installed. Otherwise, Inventor Professional 2024 will crash without application DWG True View.